Today's discussing topic is types of nucleophilic substitution reaction. There are two types. First one is SN1 reaction, means nucleophilic substitution reaction of first order. Second one is SN2 reaction, means nucleophilic substitution reaction of second order. These two are very important for examination. First one is discuss the mechanism of SN1 reaction. SN1 stands for nucleophilic substitution reaction of first order. So in any nucleophilic substitution reaction, two reactants participates. One is alloalkane, it contains halide ion, it is a weaker nucleophile, and another one is a stronger nucleophile. Here, so the replacement of weaker nucleophile by a stronger nucleophile is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. So your X minus gets detached, Nu minus gets attached, then we get RNu plus X minus. In nucleophilic substitution reaction, two reactants participates. One is alloalkane, another one is stronger nucleophile. But in SN1 reaction, in this type of reaction, the rate of the reaction or speed of the reaction depends only on the concentration of alloalkane. Rate depends on concentration of alloalkane only, and it is independent of concentration of nucleophile. Nucleophile concentration will depend agilla. Hence, the rate equation is R means rate equals K into concentration of alloalkane. Example for SN1 reaction, hydrolysis of T-butyl bromide with aqueous NaOH to give T-butyl alcohol. So here C4H10 butane, C4H9 butyl. This is also written in the form of CH3 thrice C. This butyl is called T-butyl. Why it is called T-butyl? Because it contains tertiary carbon. Here totally 4 carbon atoms are present now. 1, 2, 3, 4. One carbon linked to 3 more carbon is called tertiary carbon. This butyl group contains tertiary carbon. That's why it is called T-butyl. Totally 3 3s are 9 hydrogen. Here valency of carbon is 4. That's why you put 3 hydrogen. Here also 3 hydrogen. Here also 3 hydrogen. Then we get T-butyl. When T-butyl group attached with Br to form T-butyl bromide. When T-butyl bromide is treated with aqueous NaOH. Aqueous NaOH. What happens now? This weaker nucleophile and Na eliminated in the form of NaBr. NaBr. So OH attacks in place of Br. Then we get C, CH3, 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 OH. This is called T-butyl alcohol. T-butyl alcohol. So the above reaction mechanism. What is organic mechanism? It is a bond breaking, bond making process. Reactants ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The mechanism of the above reaction involves 2 steps. In step 1, T-butyl bromide undergoes slow ionization to form T-butyl carbocation and bromide ion. What is carbocation? It is also called carbonium ion. The ion carrying a positively charged carbon center is called carbocation. ಒಂದು ಅಯಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ T-butyl carbocation. This is the first step. In second step, the nucleophile OH minus, it is present in aqueous NaOH. This nucleophile attacks readily or quickly to the T-butyl carbocation to form T-butyl alcohol according to this reaction. So this OH minus stronger nucleophile readily attacks T-butyl carbocation to form T-butyl alcohol. In the above mechanism, the slow step is the rate determining step, which contains only one reactant molecule, that is alloalkane. In any complex reaction, what is complex reaction? A reaction which takes place in more than one step is called complex reaction. So in complex reaction, slowest step is the rate determining step. Here first step is the slowest step. It is the rate determining step. It contains only one reactant molecule, that is alloalkane. Therefore, SN1 reaction is a unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction of first order. One important note, the order of reactivity of organic compounds containing halogen towards SN1 reaction is benzyl halide is more reactive than allylic halide, it is more reactive than tertiary haloalkane, it is more reactive than secondary haloalkane, it is more reactive than primary haloalkane, it is more reactive than methyl halide. That completes SN1 reaction. Next, discuss the mechanism of SN2 reaction. SN2 stands for nucleophilic substitution reaction of second order. In this type of reaction, the rate of the reaction depends on concentration of haloalkane as well as nucleophile. ನೋಡಿ ಈ SN2 ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Therefore, the rate equation is R equals K into concentration of haloalkane into concentration of nucleophile. Example, hydrolysis of methyl chloride with aqueous NaOH. So, when methyl chloride CH3Cl, when it is treated with aqueous NaOH, a weaker nucleophile Cl and Na eliminated in the form of NaCl to form methyl alcohol. The above reaction mechanism involves one step. It is a single step mechanism. In this mechanism, the nucleophile OH minus, it is present in aqueous NaOH. It attacks to methyl chloride to the carbon atom which is opposite to the chlorine atom to form transition state. In this transition state, both COH and CCl bonds are formed partially. Means COH bond is not completely formed, CCl bond is not completely broken. But the bond energy of COH bond is more than CCl bond. That's why COH bond gets predominant. So therefore, CCl bond gets detached. So to form methyl alcohol and Cl minus. In this process, inversion of configuration takes place. Inversion of configuration takes place ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಮೀಥೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮೀಥೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ 3 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಬೋವ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್, the rate determining step, it is a single step. It contains 2 reactants, that is haloalkane and nucleophile. Therefore, SN2 reaction is a bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction of second order. Some important notes. The order of reactivity of organic compounds containing halogen towards SN2 reaction is methyl halide is more reactive than primary haloalkane, it is more reactive than secondary haloalkane, it is more reactive than tertiary haloalkane. If tertiary haloalkane is, so compulsory undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction by SN1 mechanism. Primary haloalkane compulsory undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction by SN2 mechanism. In case of secondary haloalkane may undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction either by SN1 mechanism or SN2 mechanism. That depends upon the solvent. If the solvent used is polar, then SN1 mechanism takes place. If the solvent used is non-polar, then SN2 mechanism takes place. Next, third note is, for a given alkyl group fixed ಇಲ್ಲಿ, R is alkyl group fixed. For a given alkyl group, the order of reactivity of haloalkane is Ri is more reactive than Rbr is more reactive than RCl. So for a given halogen atom, ಈಗ halogen atom fixed. For a given halogen atom, the order of reactivity of haloalkane is 3 degree. Is 3 degree haloalkane is more reactive than 2 degree haloalkane is more reactive than 1 degree haloalkane. One important question: which one of the following is more reactive towards SN1 reaction? A, B, SN2 reaction. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ SN1 reaction, which one is more reactive towards SN2 reaction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, in case of SN1 reaction ಅಂದ್ರೆ tertiary haloalkane readily undergo SN1 reaction, it is more reactive. Out of these 3, which one is tertiary haloalkane? CH3 tri-CBr, t-butyl bromide. For A, answer is CH3 tri-CBr. For SN2 reaction, it is CH3Br. So final differences between SN1 and SN2 reactions. So first difference, SN1 reaction is a two-step reaction, SN2 reaction is a single-step reaction. In SN1 reaction, rate of the reaction depends only on the concentration of alloalkane, but in SN2 reaction, rate depends on concentration of alloalkane as well as nucleophile. Third difference is the order of reactivity of alloalkane is 3 degree, greater than 2 degree, greater than 1 degree, greater than CH3. The order of reactivity of alloalkane is CH3 alloyed, more reactive than primary alloalkane, more reactive than secondary alloalkane, more reactive than tertiary alloalkane. Fourth difference is it is favored by polar solvent, it is favored by non-polar solvent. So fifth one, the product obtained is a racemic mixture of optically active alloalkanes. The product obtained is a inversion of configuration of optically active alloalkanes. That completes types of nucleophilic substitution reaction.